ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಸಚಿವರು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೈರೇಗೌಡ ನಾವಿಬ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ 4-5 ವಿಚಾರಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದವು. ಒಂದು, ಬರಗಾಲದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಎರಡನೇದು, ಈಗ 100 ದಿನಗಳ ಕೂಲಿ ಕೊಡೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ 150 ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬರಗಾಲ ಇದೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಎರಡನೇ ವಿಚಾರ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಮೂರನೇದು ಮಹದಾಯಿ ಯೋಜನೆ, ಮಹದಾಯಿ. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಭದ್ರಾ. ಐದನೇದು ಮೇಕೆದಾಟು. ಬರಗಾಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ 236 ತಾಲೂಕುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 223 ತಾಲೂಕುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಗಾಲ ಇದೆ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 336 ತಾಲೂಕಾಸ್, 236 ತಾಲೂಕಾಸ್, ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 236 ತಾಲೂಕಾಸ್, 223 talukas are facing drought. Out of 223 talukas, 196 talukas are facing severe drought. The remaining 27 talukas are facing moderate drought. But all the 236 talukas are declared, 223 talukas are declared drought affected talukas. In June, August, September, November, we could not receive normal rain. There was a deficit of more than 30% to 56%, about 60%.
Deficit in some months.
Not in all 4 months, but of course in July we had some rain. There was also deficit in July also. We have submitted 3 memorandums. One in September, the second memorandum in October, third memorandum in November. Sir, December or November? November. The total compensation the Karnataka government asked for, according to the drought manual, NDRF 1 terms, 18,171 crores. 18,000. 18. 18. 18. 18,171 thousand crores. We submitted a first memorandum in the month of September, 22nd September 2023. 22nd September 2022. After the memorandum submitted, the inter-ministerial team of the Government of India, central team, we call it a central team. They visited Karnataka and inspected the drought-affected talukas from 4th October to 9th October. From 4th October to 9th October. I also met the central team, Mr. Krishna Bairegowda, Agriculture Minister, and IT Rural Development Minister. They met the team and apprised the drought situation in Karnataka. I also apprised them the drought situation in Karnataka.
ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿರ್ಭೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರವಾಗಿ.